introduction. Objectives: the collection of zero and natural numbers, representation of whole numbers on the number line, predecessor of a whole number, successor of a whole number, whole number, successor of a whole number. We count the objects using numbers. We use numbers such as 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on to count things. These numbers are called counting numbers or natural numbers. How many books are there in shelf 2? There are no books in shelf 2. We know that this situation is mathematically represented as 0 books. 0 is not a counting number because we cannot count the things using 0. When we include 0 with the natural numbers, they are called whole numbers. The whole numbers are represented with the letter W. 58 books, 2 bookshelves, 2,200 rupees, 1,71,476 words. All these are countable numbers. These are natural numbers. We know that every natural number is a whole number. 0 aliens. Here, 0 is a whole number but not a natural number. So, we can say that every whole number is not a natural number. Representation of whole numbers on the number line. Let's take a straight line which goes infinitely. Mark a point O and associate it with the number 0. Mark another point A on the right of 0 and associate it with number 1. The distance between O and A is called unit distance. With the same distance, mark another point on the right of A, one after another. Name them with the letters B, C, D, E, and so on. Also, associate them with the numbers 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Similarly, we can mark infinite points on the number line and associate them with infinite points correspondingly. We cannot tell the largest whole number because the number line is up to infinity. But 0 is the smallest valued whole number. Predecessor of a whole number. The number appearing before the given number is called predecessor of that number. The predecessor of 6 is 5, which is a whole number. In the same way, 999 is a predecessor of 1000. To find the predecessor of a given whole number, subtract 1 from it. The predecessor of an odd number is an even number, and the predecessor of an even number is an odd number. Do all the whole numbers have a predecessor? What about 0? The number 0 has no predecessor, because 0 is the whole number which starts the collection of whole numbers. Successor of a whole number. The number which comes after the given number is called the successor of that number. We can say every whole number has a successor. 1 is the successor of 0. In the same way, 6 is the successor of 5. To find the successor of a given whole number, add 1 to it. The successor of an odd number is an even number, and the successor of an even number is an odd number. We can say that if the successor of number x is y, the predecessor of number y is x.